You know, I'm often asked, why would an investor consider Optical Entertainment Network as an investment? And I can tell you that if you think about the last 30, 40 years, we really have had two revolutions in data communications and entertainment technology. I would start with the cable days back in the 1970s when cable was just exploding in the United States. There were several opportunities for investors to really get in while the getting was good, if you will, as we say here in Texas. And I can tell you that the cable market has really revolutionized the way entertainment services and communication services are actually converged into the home. But a lot of people missed out on that opportunity. The next wave of opportunity was actual cellular phone networks and cellular wireless networks. And those individuals that got in early got the taste of data communications on a national scale, where they can actually ride the wave of a converged communication on a wireless spectrum all over the United States. And then you had direct broadcast satellite services such as DirecTV or Dish Network. Albeit very exciting and very tantalizing, it's only a one-way video communication. And we are at the cusp of another revolutionary introduction of entertainment and communication services. And these services are truly converged via fiber to the home. That is truly the next wave of communications. Fiber to the home provides a big bandwidth pipe. And what this pipe allows is to basically put an unlimited amount of channels going to any specific home. In addition to that, you can actually deliver the speed amounts of 8 times a corporate T1 speed into any single residential subscriber in the United States today. In addition to that, we have digital phone. You got to have it in order to deliver triple play. And Optical Entertainment Network delivers all three services through a converged branded service by the name of Physion. And Physion will start its service on February the 22nd in Houston, Texas. And what's interesting about our content contract agreements is that we can take them on a national scale. That is another benefit for any investor or any entity looking to invest into Optical Entertainment Network. We can actually take our agreements on a national scale, meaning we can actually take our content via long-haul transport to Seattle, to San Diego, to Maine, to Miami, and anywhere in between thereof. Our agreements are specific to IPTV distribution via fiber to the home. And the fiber to the home industry, according to many industry research analysts and leaders, such as Render Vanderslice and Associates, have all said that fiber to the home video build-outs will reach over 10 million subscribers by the year 2010 or at the latest 2011. Now what that means is that Optical Entertainment Network, because of our retail strategy here in Houston and because of our build out from Houston to any other market in the United States, we can capitalize on that growth surge. All we're looking for and all we feel we really need to actually take a large chunk of this business is to get about 5 to 10% of the fiber to the home video business. And we think it's going to be led by really 3 entities. It'll be led by Optical Entertainment Network, Verizon Communications, and AT&T. Verizon Communications delivers their content via fiber to the node and then coax all the way into the home. Essentially, they're a cable operator. AT&T is doing fiber to the node and basically copper or DSL in. It's a very interesting scenario, but their data rates are compressed and they cannot deliver the bandwidth power that we deliver. Optical Entertainment Network does not do any of the other 2 that I just mentioned. We actually deliver fiber to the home. So what that means is that we don't digitize or we don't compress our signal. In essence, we're digital, not digitized. So we get our content from the satellites, and those channels or those networks and those feeds are not encumbered by any compression technology. We take that out from our digital head end and we put that out into our fiber network, out into our subscribers' homes. So in essence, our subscribers are getting the best digital picture quality and audio sound that they can possibly receive from any multi-channel video provider in the United States. So the exact same picture quality that leaves the HBO uplink facility in New York State is actually the same picture quality that every subscriber will receive when subscribing to our service and subscribing to HBO in that example. So in essence, Optical Entertainment Network, even though we're a small privately held company, we are considered by many in the industry to be leaders in this segment. And we look forward to delivering these services not only to residents in Houston, but to many markets throughout the United States. So as you consider whether or not you invest in OEN or Optical Entertainment Network, please consider this. The market is growing. We are at the cusp of the market itself and considered a leader in this business. And we have not actually gone public yet. And we fully feel that we're going to do that at some point in time, or be an attractive acquisition for anybody else in the business who really wants to take a piece of this type of offering. So keep that in consideration. Take advantage of the opportunity of fiber to the home entertainment and communication services, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.